Hi, this is Chidima from Open Path Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Scratch Dancing Letter project. So let's click on the Create tab. This will create a new project. Let's name this project Dancing Letter. Let's delete the sprite. And we're going to go ahead and select a new sprite. Let's click Letters. I'm going to select C. You can choose another letter if you want. And let's scroll down and select the spotlight as the background. And let's click on the extensions, and now we're going to have the music blocks available. All right, so now we're ready to begin. So let's click on event. I'm going to drag this block over, go to the motion blocks. Let's grab the first block, but instead we're going to change this to 50. And let's go to the music block and drag the first block. Go back to the motion. We're going to drag this and we're going to change this to -50. So it's going to allow the letter to move the opposite direction 50 steps. Okay. And go back to the music block. Let's drag this over and we're going to select a new drum instead. So I'm going to select this one. So now we're already completed with this project. So let's enlarge the stage and click on the sprite. And that's it. Great job on this project. Today you learned how to create a dancing letter project on Scratch. Try it out yourself and see what you can create. If you found this helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.